Kindred Spirit Mailbox is located on the pristine and protected Bird Island in the Brunswick Islands in coastal North Carolina. Inside you'll find letters and stories from people all around the world. You can leave your own in there too.
So there are notebooks inside the mailbox, so you can come, and pens, you can write your own letter. So I've shared our manifesto for travel, 10 principles to create amazing travel experience, life experience even, and Savannah wrote a little bit about her story. So I'll pop them in here. I could write them in the notebook too, I guess.